Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est mardi le 22 janvier and we just got off of a 3-day weekend. So I'm doing this video for those of you who were out today and whoever else needed to rewatch and see what we did. So this is actually a video for all 4 class periods because we pretty much did the same thing in all 4 class periods, including 5th period, which is 2 pre-AP. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our weekly warm-ups page. I'm going to click on the very first one, which happens to be the same for pre-AP. We are going to head to this picture right here. So what did we do? We first looked at the picture. This is a soccer team, and we tried to figure out who the soccer team was, what country it represented, and what was significant about it. So they did some guessing, and some realized that it was the French soccer team, and that they're called Les Bleus. So this is the soccer team that won the World Cup in 2018. And I had a video that I showed them, which if you go onto my website and you click on this, you'll be able to watch the video as well. This is about 13 minutes long, this one is. Well, I only showed about half of it. And then this video shows Benjamin Pavard, who is the, was the one who kicked, they said, was the most beautiful goal out of the whole World Cup. So that is the video of that goal that he kicked. So we did the warm-up. Once we were done with the warm-up, then we did the galette des rois. I had made 12 king cakes and brought them to school today. So if you were absent, I'm sorry, you missed out, but there might be another time. And we basically talked about the Epiphany. Each person got a piece of king cake, and the people who found the bean got Mardi Gras beads, and the one who found the little gold ring got the crown and was king or queen for the day. 4th period did share their sentences. If you remember Friday, I had assigned 4th and 7th period, and I'm going to go to French 2 pre-AP notes and activities. And if you go and find it, it would be sentence starters for le futur proche. So they shared their sentences today. If you remember, they had to choose 5 sentence starters and write 5 sentences talking about what they're going to do. And so today, 4th period shared their 5 sentences. And I had already checked most of theirs Friday. 6th period copied down the sentence starters, but we didn't actually get to the sentences yet. 7th period, they already had the sentence starters copied down, but we didn't get to sharing the sentences. So we'll share the sentences 7th period tomorrow. 6th period we'll write and share sentences. 5th period is in a neutral zone right now. We're going to start the new unit tomorrow. So you're cool. You're good. So anyway, that is what we did. Have a great afternoon et à demain. Au revoir.